Hey guys, Jared from Oneupreviewz. We got another pickup and I'm really excited for this pickup because I got it for a steal. And if you're friends with me watching this, you know that I love Carhartt. So what we've got here, right there, Carhartt. Is the Carhartt collaboration with Clark's Originals. We got the Carhartt Wallabee Boot in olive camouflage in a UK size 7, European 41, and it doesn't have the US, but we can safely assume it's an 8. Correct me if I'm wrong, so that's why we have the comments down there. Really cool box, really minimalistic, and it just looks like a bog standard delivery box. But you got the Carhartt work in progress logo there, and the Clark's Originals logo there. So let's get this opened. And so this came out around September. It's 2020 now, and the reason why I got this for a steal is because they were just sitting apparently at size. It was £90, down from 130. It was a no-brainer. I had to buy them because I missed the initial launch while they sold out in my size. So also, if you're friends with me as well, you know that I just wear Wallabees. Like, I wear that. We previously recorded a review for the maple ones. Click there if you want to see that one. That was a Wallabee shoe. We got a different one, which is the Wallabee boot, obviously more higher, but we start with the outsole. So we've got the classic, what Clark's is famous for, the crepe outsole. Famous, iconic, that is what they're famous for. They introduced it in their desert boot, then they incorporated it into this Wallabee boot. Moving up, and that's just one unit as well. So moving up to the upper, so we've got a nice suede upper, all suede. If you know about what Carhartt clothing's like, they've also got the Hamilton Brown, which is the other color that this came out in. And they usually do a nice like olive army camo for their jackets, and you've got it right here, this little like ankle wrap. You got the little camo patterning, really cool, but nice little nods. So you got the Carhartt tab there, and on the tags you got Clark's Original and Carhartt. What more can I say about this trainer? It's really sleek, really, like, if you're looking for a smart casual kind of shoe to wear, I can't recommend this enough. If you're a die-hard Carhartt fan, get these, honestly. And like, Clark's are really, like, really comfortable. Wallabees, I love Wallabees because of my love for hip-hop, and like loads of the Wu-Tang Clan wear Wallabees, and I love the Wu-Tang Clan. But yeah, as I mentioned, this is a staple like shoe. You know, this is the sneakerhead shoe in my opinion. Really dope. I mean, look at it, it's really cool. Just bog standard Wallabee, can't go wrong. Nice, clean. I can't wait to try this on. Let's go. And I'm wearing Carhartt, as you can see. Yeah, so really cool to look at, really good on. Bit inner, it's kind of supple. I mean, because it's a leather insole. But I think it looks good on. I'm wearing some Edwin Japanese denim jeans. I think they go well. I didn't go all Carhartt, so you know. But yeah. thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Till next time, peace.